Hi friends, welcome to SARAL Trader. Today we will talk about two low-priced stocks for this week. As you know, for last 2 weeks I've been giving two low-priced stocks every week to my followers on YouTube. Today we are going to discuss two stocks I have chosen. One of them, the first one is Banco Bradesco. This is a ADR of a Brazilian large cap bank, Banco Bradesco, and this is the chart of that. Banco Bradesco is a large cap in the sense that its market cap is around 25 billion. It was trading at around 4, and it had a bad results last quarter, and it fell down significantly. This trades in huge volumes. The average traded volume for this stock is around 4 to 5 million shares every day. So it's a huge, highly traded company. It's a dividend paying stock, so fundamentally it's good. It's part of the Brazilian index, so it's a heavyweight stock. It's not a company that is risky in the sense that it's not it's a large cap company traded on a very high volume, large institutional involvement. So what excites me is that this came down, and for this bad results, it came down, and then from there on, I did have a position in it. I scalped it. I took some position here based on highly oversold, exited somewhere here, and then it went down to 2.5, and it has formed a base between 2.5. It and went up to 2.97, and then again came down. Brazil is a very volatile equity markets, and politically there was some news. It came down, and then it again bought back, and there was heavy volumes. It bought back again, went up to 2.9697 kind of level, and then it again got sold off. Typically, when these big falls happen, it takes a lot of time for stocks to accumulate, and whenever they reach a particular level, there is heavy selling. People who bought in here or who got stuck up here, they will keep selling their stocks, and the charts with these kind of big gap downs and falls get disturbed. So it takes some time to recuperate. This happened with another company from Brazil, ITUB, which is the first largest bank. So these kind of gaps take consolidation, and then but this seems to have formed a very strong support at 2.5. And if you look on the weekly charts as well, this is a very strong support area. This is the support where pre-COVID COVID lows were also formed in the same area. So there's huge buying here that happens whenever it reaches here and it's moving up. So we have a signal on SARAL 1 system as well. And we accumulated this at 2.77, and the target for me is around 3.26 is the first target, and then we will see if it goes up to 3.6 as well. So it's a good risk reward here. The stop loss for this trade is 2.35. If we close below 2.35 on daily basis, I will exit and look for other opportunities. There is a significant dividend also that was paid recently, so that is also getting adjusted in the price. So if you see the targets for this is at 3 and 2.5. First target, logical target for it will be 3.5. But I would say that we should take some profit at 3.25, 26 kind of levels. That will be the first target. If you need more details, you can subscribe to our free trial on saraltrader.com, and you can know more about it, how we are trading this. The other stock is also a emerging market stock called Jumia. Now, Jumia is a company which is low priced, is used to trade on a very high volumes, and it was, 2 years back, pre-COVID, post-COVID, when the technology stocks went, amazingly high. This traded much higher, about, if you see, it was, sorry, guys, it was trading at, around 69, 70. It had a massive run, and it went up significantly higher, and then it fizzled out, and like all technology and e-commerce stock which came down, this also came down. Now this setup is something that I'm looking at. If you look at it on slightly higher time frame of 3 days, it looks like it has formed a very strong base below 3, and it is now moving into 3.97, made a high of 4.5 as well. So I am looking at accumulating this stock or buying this stock for a trade. And my first target for this, if I will probably enter somewhere around 4, and then my stop loss for this trade will be a daily close below 3.22. These are small price stocks, highly volatile. It's a risky stock to trade with. To trade only with a small quantity. But this is something that I'm watching, and when it gives a move, it is all the pivot levels, the SARAL pivot 1, SARAL pivot 2, it is trading above it for some time. This particular supply which came in, it came in from the resistance. If this is able to, you can buy here, and then, if it is able to cross this resistance, we may quickly see another 50, 60 points move on it and taking it to 5.25 to 5.5, which is going to be a very significant move for it considering in percentage terms. So, this is another stock. Jumia is one of the largest e-commerce companies operating in the Africa markets. It's called Amazon of Africa by its followers. So this is another stock that you can look at. If you have any other questions, you can reach out to me on saraltrader.com. You can take a free trial there. You can also join us for a live stream of our S&P 500 markets every day. We have 4 setups, intraday and positional setups running. So let me know, guys. Happy trading. Nice weekend. Bye bye.